The Indian Air Force has appointed Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit as its new Vice Chief of the Air Staff. He assumed charge on July 1st, succeeding Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor, who retired on June 30th after serving the Indian Air Force for nearly 4 decades. Before taking over as the Vice Chief, Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit served as the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff at the Headquarters Integrated Defence Staff. After assuming office, he was accorded a Guard of Honor at Vayu Bhavan, the headquarters of the Indian Air Force in New Delhi. He also visited the National War Memorial, where he paid tribute to the soldiers who laid down their lives in the service of the nation. During his tenure as the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit played a key role in Operation Sindoor. He also contributed to the publication of 20 joint military doctrines, the conceptualization of Ransamvad 2025-26 and the preparation of the Defence Forces Vision 2047 roadmap. He assumed charge as the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff on May 1, 2025 and stepped down from the post on June 30, 2026 before taking over as the Vice Chief of the Air Staff. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit was commissioned into the fighter stream of the Indian Air Force in December 1986. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, the Defence Service Staff College and the National Defence College. A qualified flying instructor and experimental test pilot, he has logged more than 3,300 flying hours and over 20 different aircraft, including the Mirage 2000, MiG-21 and Jaguar fighter aircraft. According to reports, Air Marshal Tejinder Singh is expected to succeed Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit as the Chief of Integrated Defence Staff. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.